If you switch power, default 01. 01 means standard. If you start directly, it will measure the weight which you put. Automatically it will set the water level. Wash, rinse, spin will be complete. And then if you choose 2, this button, and under the display you should choose the water level. From at 02 it starts from EAE. It take 1.5 hours to finish wash. Like that, same that gentle you can wash flimsy wash clothes, sarees, like that. And then fourth option, you can wash only kerchief, socks, only small quantity of clothes can be washed in this, in 0 wash. You can't adjust the water level. It will take only 11 minutes to complete that quick wash. These 4 programs fully automatic. This both additional, only wash, only spin. You need to spin only. You put wet clothes inside and close the door, choose 6 and then start. It will drain the water and directly it goes to dry. At the time of drying, if you open the door, the machine will stop. Again, if you close it, start. Any power failure, where it stops, it will start after coming power.
Okay, so so basically it's which program does it automatically for you?
First default 01.
Okay.
Put clothes, detergent, switch on and then start.
And then it goes automatically?
Automatically.
Okay. And if we want to choose, then we can
Choose power.
The number 2.
Number 2.
Number 2 would be standard, is it?
No, number 1 is standard. Number 2, it will take 1.5 hours to complete. You should choose water level at 02.
So 02 we should choose high.
Yeah. It starts from EAA, soak, wash, rinse, spin.
So high means what? It's starting from soak, wash or rinse?
Wash.
It's starting from wash. Okay.
It start from soak.
What?
Soak.
Starting from soak.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here it will
Display 89 minutes. Okay.
EAA also.
What is AA?
EAA means soak. Here mentioned.
Okay.
EAA means soak. After soak, after finishing soak, it goes to BB, wash.
Okay. What if you don't want to soak and you want straight to start the wash?
You choose 01.
Okay.
It will start from BB.
Okay. BB means what?
Wash. Here it's mentioned. No?
Oh, I see the codes are there, is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So it's pretty straightforward. And inside the drum, you said that we can leave the detergent flap open, right?
Yes.
So the water can pour. And then at the bottom there, you said that there are perhaps 2 filters,
Yeah.
which can come out very easily, isn't it? Okay, that's it. And just flip back. That's about it, or is there anything else we need to know?
No, that's it.
Okay, so that's fine. I'll keep that in mind now.
Okay.